Is your workshop always in a mess? Is your bench forever cluttered? Are you always looking for tools that you can't find? It doesn't have to be that way. Introducing Neat French Cleats, the ultimate solution to keeping your workshop organized, efficient, and clutter-free. With Neat French Cleats, every tool has its place, and your workshop stays clean and tidy. From custom tool holders to wallboards and shelves designed for specific items, the system is built to give you total control over your workshop. Imagine knowing exactly where each tool is. No more searching, no more wasted time. Just smooth, efficient workflow so you can focus on what you love doing: building, creating, and crafting. Visit neatfrenchcleat.com and start transforming your workshop today.